All right, I know a lot of people have their eyes on the weekend because it's going to be so cold. Events are already being canceled because of it.
Yep.
But today we got some sun. Tomorrow we've got some sun, but it's still kind of chilly out there.
It's a myth, but the idea of it being too cold to snow, it comes from the fact that a lot of times when you set up for a cold pattern, there is a big ridge of high pressure in place.
Yeah.
And so this week will be like that. It's going to be nice and bright mostly. Cool. But we'll be getting colder and colder through the week, and into Saturday morning that will be the kind of the peak of the whole thing. So sunny today, clear tonight. That means that tonight is our first cold night of this stretch. But it's more in that realm of it is cold, but it's not a headline, single digits, hovering around 0 inland, below 0 north of Bangor, and probably including Bangor as well. We'll get a whole lot colder than this on Friday night and probably Saturday night as well. But we do rebound tomorrow back into some sun, temperatures, teens, 20 or so along the coast. That's probably the best we're going to do, 2021, maybe along the coast. The mountains will be cold, no surprise there, of course. And then we're cold again tomorrow night. Very similar, single digits, 0-ish, north of Bangor, below 0. And then we get a little step back on Thursday. A few more clouds come in Thursday afternoon, so we're able to get into the upper 20s to maybe right around freezing along the coast. And then here comes the Arctic front. This is the reinforcing shot of cold air. That sweeps through Thursday night, and that's when things get real here Friday into Friday night and Saturday. That Arctic front, by the way, on Thursday night into Friday morning may have some snow showers or squalls. A lot of times these fronts are very convective. They pop up showers like they would thunderstorms during the summer, although that seems like a distant memory at this point. Frigid blast comes down from the northwest. It's short, though. We do get back into some milder weather by the second half of the weekend. So watch this. So remember, the polar vortex, and I hate this term, but it is technically correct. It should be up here, right? And so when it weakens, pieces break off. So this piece broke off, it's sliding towards us, and just settles over us for basically 24 to 36 hours. We're kind of on the fringe of it, which makes you think about what it's like way north of Quebec there. Very, very cold stuff. So this is what I think we're looking at here on Saturday morning. 13, 14 below along the coastline, 20 below or so inland, 25 to 30 below into the foothills and mountains. That's just air temperature. It will be breezy too, and so we do have a period of time, and I don't want to overemphasize this and be scary, but there will be a period of time in which wind chills will be colder than 50 below in quite a few spots. That's Saturday morning. And I don't need to tell you what to do about that, which is try not to be outside very long at all. That's just a really, really tough thing. And what you'll see at these temperatures too is I think there's no ambiguity in this. Like you'll go outside if you have to Saturday morning. You let your dog out. So that's the other thing. Careful with pets. Pets are not immune to this stuff either. Doesn't matter what kind of furry coat they have on them or whatnot. So you'll feel it right away. I don't think many people will be tempted to hang out outside Saturday morning, and then we'll be over the worst of it by Sunday.
I don't hear you and the weather team use the words life-threatening.
Yeah.
Pretty much ever when it comes to our weather. So this to me signals
because Mainers get it, but at 50 below, you don't have much time to make mistakes. So everybody knows, just be careful.
Thanks, Keith.